Hi everyone, this is Aya Dorado. I'm the creative specialist of LJMB.Online and welcome to the LJMB Vlog. Today I'm going to talk about the fifth app that we use, which is remove.bg. Okay, so let's start. Go to remove.bg, and when you get here, all you have to do now is open a file. So I'll give you an example. So I'll use my photo. What I will do now is I will be dropping it over here, and ta-da! Background has been removed, and all you have to do now is download it. So once you've downloaded it, you can now click it and see that the background has been removed, and you can now finally put it wherever you need to put it in. So I'll be using this for our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to others.